Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're just going to polish this aluminum plate with the peak polish. So what we're going to do is take some of this peak polish and place it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're just going to rub it in to this aluminum plate until it's as dark as possible. Then we're going to wipe it away with another Scott Blue shop towel to reveal a mirror shine. Peak Polish is a non-abrasive metal cleaner that removes oxidation and surface residue from aluminum while polishing it to a smooth, bright finish. It also leaves a light protective film that helps slow future oxidation and reduces how often maintenance is needed. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.